Welcome to the LaserCad course. My name is Joseph Braga. I own EngraversChoice.com. I also own CorelDRAW.com and Engravelab.com. I'm a master distributor for Boss Laser, have been for 5+ years now. I've been in the industry since 1990, and I've been working on lasers since 95, glass tube lasers since 2000, and fiber lasers since 2005. We cover the LaserCad course, which is for the HP systems. HP systems do everything our LS systems do that a normal engraver does, but also cut stainless steel, steel, soft steel, tin, and laserable brass. So as you go into the course, you will see me and a little intro to myself. Then you'll notice that each page is broken down into 4 sections, one thought per page. So we're talking about changing fonts or adding text. We're just going to talk about that. We're going to break it down into 4 parts. If you're reading this or listening to this, you have looked at the pre-installation sheets and pre-installation manual. I'm going to put 6 or 7 of these on YouTube so they are accessible to you before I get there, so that you become familiar with the laser, its nomenclatures, you're not afraid of it, and we verify that it will burn a dot on no piece of wood. We even provide the piece of wood inside of the toolkit. So as you go into it, you're going to get into the pre-installation sheet. So we laser into the course. You'll see the manual, which I just showed you, the pre-installation section, installation. These 2 are very important because they're going to get you familiar with nomenclature and theory. Because all you're really doing with one of these units is taking an invisible beam of light, bouncing it off of several mirrors down onto a piece of material. So you're burning things. So it's going to go through a couple of softwares we suggest, obviously CorelDRAW and Engravelab. We do not care what software you use. This interface is more, though, about the interface, the graphical interface called LaserCad. So this is LaserCad. And LaserCad is the twin sister of LaserWorks, which is used with the LS systems. Now, LaserCad is a little more simplistic because it's more for the industrial folks, and but it does have features that we don't have in LaserWorks. So that's why I say they're twin brother and sisters. Some of you, before I made this second manual, were using the LaserWorks manual to become familiar with their HP systems. So we'll move forward from here, and like I say, I'll put these on YouTube so you can access them before I come out to do your installation. Thanks.